again, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story called The Surprise Garden. We've been talking about the 4 seasons. Do you remember the 4 seasons? Winter, spring, summer, and fall. And in this story, it's about spring, when you plant seeds so they can grow. Because remember, during spring, there's lots of rain and the sun is getting longer days and longer sun rays are on our earth in our neighborhood. So here we go, the surprise garden. We're planting the seeds for surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? And sometimes it's hard to know what kind of plant is going to grow from a seed. So you look at all these different kinds of seeds. Some are striped, some are green circles. So we'll have to see what kind of plants they grow once the plants start growing. We don't know. It's a surprise, so they don't know what they're going to plant either. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. So here's this little boy raking the dirt up to loosen it, and the girl and the boy are using their trowel and they're digging in the dirt because you have to have loose dirt so the seed can get down in the hole and kind of gently put some dirt over it so it has room to grow. And even the puppies helping them dig up the garden. Let's see what they do next. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. So look, there's really tiny ones. There's black and white striped ones. There's some green circle ones. These are black teardrop ones. There's some white, they look like lima beans to me. I don't know, but they're white little bean seeds. So there's all those different kinds of seeds that they're gonna plant in the garden. Oh, there they are. We poke the seeds into the soil. One by one, we have painted sticks with different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. So all the white seeds are going by this red stick. All these kind of tannish seeds are going by this kind of orangish red stick, and so on. They've got all the seeds of the same kind by a certain stick with a certain color planted in their garden. Look at the puppies, even his nose is pointing to the striped seed. Okay, here we go. Let's see what next happens. Oh, of course, you gotta have water for your garden. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. So there they are. They covered up the seeds and they're watering. It looks like with a hose and a watering can and another watering can. And the puppy, look, his tongue's dripping. He wants to drink of water, I think. So they're watering their seeds. What else are they going to do for their garden, for their surprise garden? Oh, look. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. So when a little plant is coming up, it's called a shoot. And here they are. Look at all those green plants. We still don't know what kind of plants they are, but there's different kinds of types of leaves. These kind of have pointy leaves. These kind of are grayish green and blue. So there's different kinds. They'll have to wait till it gets bigger. What else is in this garden? Do you see the earthworm? Do you see the spider? Do you see the bunny rabbit over there? Oh, bunny rabbits, they like to eat some stuff in the garden. We'll have to be careful he doesn't eat too much of the garden. Oh, they're getting bigger. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. So look, these plants have little white flowers. This plant has yellow flowers. Can you see anything else with flowers? No, but look, here's a bunny hiding behind this plant. There's even some bees. Bees are important because they help get the pollen and the nectar from the flowers for their honey, and then they help move things around so the flowers can flower into a special type of fruit plant. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, look, there's a watering can, and there's a bluebird on top of it. Wow, they're really getting big now. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas, beans, and squash. So these were all the plants with flowers, and the flower fell off right here, and it started to grow a bean plant. Or excuse me, these are peas plant. Here's the beans. They're string beans, and these are pea pods, and inside the pod is the pea. And then look at this. This had the yellow flowers, and there's big yellow squash. Wow, so they've got peas, beans, and squash. And look at that beautiful dragonfly. Let's see what else they got. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We see spinach and lettuce. So there is some spinach, and there's some lettuce. And who's eating some lettuce? Look, he's been biting on a leaf. It's the bunny rabbit, right? You see that puppy? You think he's going to try to bark and scare him away so it doesn't eat all the lettuce? Maybe. And what else do they have in their garden? Oh, and what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. So broccoli is green and cauliflower is like a white head. I kind of like broccoli and cauliflower. So they're growing in their garden. Let's see what else we've got. Oh my goodness. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They are growing under the ground. So do you see down here, the carrots are in the ground down here. You've got to pull it out by this big green shoot up above the ground. And then you have a long carrot. And then here are the radishes. They're growing down in the dirt, and the little boy picked it out of the hole, and there's the red radish that you eat. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big watermelon. Look at that big watermelon. It's kind of striped green and light green, dark green and light green. It is a big watermelon. And there's a little ant down here on the vine. So that was kind of their biggest plant in their garden. Oh my goodness, maybe not the biggest. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower, and it is full of tasty seeds. So inside here are all those seeds that you can buy sunflower seeds at the store, and you can put them in your mouth. You can crack the outside of the seed off, and you can get the inside seed. It's like a little nut inside. So there's the tallest plant. The watermelon is the biggest, heaviest, and this is the tallest in the sky, the sunflower plant. Look at that garden. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. It means it's growing and getting ready to be eaten. It's ripened. We like to pick the food. So here, this little girl's picking peas. This little girl's getting squash. This little boy's got carrots and radishes in his basket. And this puppy's jumping over the lettuce leaves, and the rabbit's hiding under the spinach. There's even a ladybug here. There's probably other bugs too. Oh, and there's a butterfly, and there's an earthworm. Lots of things in a garden, not just plants. And let's see what else they do. Oh, what are they gonna have? And eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. So look, they made a gigantic salad. Lettuce and spinach and broccoli and carrots and radishes and cauliflowers in there. Look at, and even some squash, that yellow circle stuff. And then here's this boy's eating a watermelon slice. There's a watermelon slices. All right, so they're having a garden party. And now what? Oh, and it says what we grew in our garden. So let's look at these seeds. So this little green seed was a pea seed. This whitish colored seed is a bean seed. This kind of brownish small seed was a spinach seed. This looks like a little feather seed. That's a lettuce seed. And there's a broccoli seed and a cauliflower seed and a carrot seed and a radish seed and a squash seed and a watermelon seed. Those black seeds are watermelon. And then the sunflower seed, that was the striped one, the black and white striped one. So that was called the surprise garden. So I don't know if any of you are growing gardens at your house. I know at our house we are. We've planted some tomatoes, and we also like to eat peas and beans. We planted some of those. We have cauliflower and broccoli. So if you want, you can plant a little seed, like a flower seed at home. We would have done that at school. So if you can get a little cup and put some dirt in it and find a flower seed, you can buy them at the store, or maybe your mom has someone out in the garage, left over from last year or something, and you can plant a little seed and watch it sprout up and grow, and sometimes you can see the roots down in the bottom. All right, boys and girls, until next time, have a great day. God bless.